Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can enable your two-factor authentication. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in the home page and be logged in. And then you need to find the search, settings, and right beside that is the settings over here. So just tap on it, open user settings, and scroll down. Scroll down till you find two-factor authentication. It's right over here. So you can either use an authenticator app that lets you receive codes on your phone without having to receive text messages, or you can just receive a text message to your phone. So I'm just going to set up my phone. So tap on this. Tap on the number that you want, and all you have to do is just type in your phone number and tap on submit. Then after you do that, then your phone will receive a text message with a code, and then you'll be able to authenticate your account. So guys, that's how you enable two-factor authentication in your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, then leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.